Hello students, today we will do question number 5 of exercise 1. So question number A is 59,380 and this one we have to write in words. So since we have to write in words, what we are going to do, we'll see how to write it. So if we say 59,380, so first we'll write 59 FIFT by 50, then 9 NINE 9, 59,000 THOUSAND 59,000 3 THREE 100 HUNDRED 100 59,380, right? EIGHTY. So this is how we write in words. Let's take another example. Question number C. The question number C. If you remember our place value chart, so you can count from the back. This is ones, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So that means 9's place value is lakh. So we'll say 9 lakh, NINE 9 lakh 8 directly. Why I'm writing 8 but no 10,000, no 1,000, no 100? Why? Because you see, in all the other place values except lakh and ones, there is no digit. The digit is only 0. Since the digit is only 0, therefore we will not take the names of the place values of the 0 digits. We'll direct 9 lakh 8. Okay, so if you feel any difficulty, you should start counting from the back to know the place value of the number. So you should say the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Since 9 is on the lakh position or place, therefore you have to say 9 lakh. Okay, this is how we write other. Now you can try question number 6. In the question number 6, we have been asked counting by 5s, write the number from. So counting by 5 means adding 5 in each step. So this is 8 7 2 3. So the next number will be, you have to add plus 5. So 5 6 7 8. So it is 8 2 7. Okay, 8 7 2 8. Again you have to add 5. You have to keep on adding 5 until you reach this number. So now you add again 5. How much it will be? 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. Since this 13, carry 1. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Okay, then 7 8 7 3 3. Your new number is 8 7 3 3. Now again you have to add 5 to this number. So add again 1 5. So 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is 3 8 7 8. Again you add 5 because still you are away from this number. You are still away from this number. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 and 8. Finally you reached the required number. Since you reach the required number, so you have to stop here. Okay, you have to stop here. Now in the same way you can try other questions. Question number B, C. Okay, now let us see question number 7. In the question number 7, we are given what is the place value of 7 in 57,930. So how to find the place value of 7? What will you do? Just simply count from the back. What you'll do, you'll count ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we want to know the place value of 7, and you can see the place value of 7 is 1000. So what we will do, we'll write 7000. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 7000. This is the place value of 7. Now let us see another question number C. In the question number C, we have to find the place value of 6. You start counting. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The place value of 6 is 10,000. So write 60,000. Okay, write 60,000. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 60,000 is the place value of 6 in 63,102. In the same way, try the other questions as your homework. Let us move on to the another question number 8. So in the question number 8, rewrite in ascending order. Remember, ascending order means smaller to bigger. So smaller to bigger. So first of all, you should try to find out which is the smallest number from here. So if you see this number, you check. This is these all numbers are of 4 digits, and you see 1538 is smaller than all the other numbers. You can try to compare them. You'll find that 1538 is definitely smaller than the all number. This is the first number. Then what is the second number? Second number will be your this one. Okay, because this is 1835, though there is one more, 1853, but it is bigger than 1835. So now we'll see third number. Third number will be this one only. Third number will be this one only. Then let us try to find out the fourth number. Fourth number is you see here, which is the fourth number. It is 3,581, and the fifth number is 3,851. This is the fifth. Then we'll see sixth number. Sixth number, if you see, this is the sixth number, which is 5,813. Now seventh number is 8,135. So this is the seventh number, and the last number is 8,153. So in the same manner, you try to arrange this number. Okay, try to arrange this number. Let us go to question number 9. In the question number 9, we have to arrange in descending order. It is opposite of question number 8. That means in the question number 8, we did a smaller to bigger. Here we have to do bigger to smaller. So let us do question number A. In the question number A, we have to find the largest number first. So you see, there are two numbers with the 8 in the beginning. Okay, so definitely out of these two number, only one number will be the largest one. So you see, this number has 7 after 8, and it has 6 after 8. So definitely this number is the largest. So this number will be at the first position. This number will be at the first position, and the second number will be this. Now out of these two numbers, we have to compare which is the third number. If you see, 7 is bigger than 6, therefore 7 will come before 6. So we can take this one as the third and this one as the fourth. So the largest number is 87,465. Then second largest is 86,754. Then is 76,045, and then is 67,854. Let us move on to the question number 10. Oh my. Okay. So question number 10 we'll see. In the question number 10, what is the difference between the place values of the two sevens in the given number. So we have to find first place values of the two sevens, then we have to find the difference. Difference means we have to subtract them. So let us see. Let us find the place value of the first 7. So this is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. That means the first 7 place value is 70,000. 70,000. Okay, 70,000. This is the first. Then you put a minus sign and try to find the place value of the second one. So this is 1's tenth. So the place value of the second 7 is how much? Tens. Tens means 70. Okay. Now you subtract 0 minus 0. This is, see, here it is 0, and you know below is a number bigger than 0. What we will do, we'll carry 1 from this 7. Okay. When you carry 1 from this 7, this becomes 10. Again you carry 1 from this one, it became again 10, and this becomes 9. Okay. Then again you carry 1 from here, then this number becomes 10. This number becomes 10, and here it is 9. Okay, 9. So what you do, 10 minus 7 will give you 3, and we know that here it is 9. So we'll write 9. Again we'll write 9. And this number is changed to 6 because we carried 1 from here, no? So this is 6. So the new number that you will get after subtracting the place values of two sevens will be 69,930. So you have understand how to do. You can try others as well. Now let us see question number 11. So whatever I am not doing, this is all your homework. You have to write in your homework copy. Remember that. So question number 11. Question number 11. Let us see. So in the question number 11, write the numeral for the largest and the smallest possible number made from each of the following groups of digits. Write the numeral for the largest and the smallest possible numbers made from each of the following group digits. So what we will do, we will try to make the smallest and the largest number using given digits. Let us see how to make it. So you see, to make a largest number, you have to remember that you have to take the largest digit, and from here the largest digit is 9. Okay, so we'll take 9 first, then the second largest number out of this all will be 7. Then we have taken 9, we have taken 7. What is left? 0, 3 and 7. Out of these 3, which is the largest? Definitely 4. Right, 4. Now out of 3 and 0, which is largest? Definitely 3. Then the last. So this is the largest number we can make out of this given digits. And now the smallest number. See, we cannot use 0 in the front. So we'll take this. We'll take 3, which is smallest in the 9, 7, 3 and 4. So we'll write 3, then we can write 0, and then we'll write 4, 7 and 9. So this is how we formed the largest number and the smallest number using the given digits. In the same manner you can try the other questions, and this will remain your homework. Okay, so this is all for today. Whatever I have not done questions, you do those as your homework.